This is called Crazy Stuff. Part 1, which is actually supposed to be what? Oh, I thought he was going to be like nibbles. Okay, nibbles get in here. This is called Crazy Stuff. Part 1. Hey, you guys, look! I found something! Let me guess. Another animal. It's not an animal, but it can talk. Zoom in even closer. Think we should make something out of that. It's cold. Should we warm it up? Where? The microwave. Who's gonna do it? Me. Okay. Yeah. I'm supposed to be with chickens. Yeah, right. But first I'm gonna put you in the microwave. No! I'm gonna pause. Not all the plushies. Oh, okay. But the rest of them are. Oh, okay. Everything's frozen. Except me, so. Okay. So. Now. I'm gonna copy Travis Plush Productions and say the Cupcake poops sprinkles. And I'm actually gonna put it in the microwave, but I'm not gonna heat it up. Okay, unpause every plushie. Whoever you are, I'm scared. Pause again. TV might bug you. No, you're making me suffer. Beep, 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 beep. 6 minutes and 48. Wait, no. 6 hours and 48 minutes later. Beep. It's done. Oh my God, you're on fire. No, this is my normal look. Okay. Wow. Yummy. Yeah, monster. Take me home, whoever you are. My name is Mangle. Okay, now I get it. Beep, ba, 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 ba. Oh! I heard someone scream. Are you okay? Oh my! I am the one you want. You should don't need to go. Oh! My crown! My beautiful crown! Oh, that's better. No! My cousin's in prison. Chapter 2. Well, weird things going around in the neighborhood, and I didn't even know what to do. why I added a chapter and why am I making this so long. Begins now. Hey, I'm hungry. For what? Dessert? What for dessert? Cupcakes. Let's go make something in the microwave. Oh! What? Hi, I'm crazy. Yep. Monkey face. Ow, ooh, ooh, ooh. Ouch, ow, ow. Oh! Monkeys. Yeah, I mean, I said are you gonna make a cupcake or what? S. Cool, let's go grab some ingredients for a cupcake. Pause. Just pretend this is mixed up cupcake stuff. Okay, now we got the ingredients. Okay, let's see. Yep. Foxy, I want you to say right here. I'll put the cupcake in. Okay. Be careful. Oh! Please, no. Beep, 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 beep. It's done. Yeah. Oh, look. It's perfect. Let's take that out of the oven. Let's take it out of the oven. Okay. Look at the cupcake. Ooh. But there's one problem. It looks like you're having a birthday party. Who cares? Alright, now let's get this thing in. Let's get this thing in the room. It's delicious cupcake. Stop falling, you clumsy little cupcake. I'm sorry! Ah, it's alive! It's alive! I just want to fall on the ground too, so that's why I'm going to do the same thing as Foxy. You might land the same. Nope. Nope. Hey, look, I'm not down there. You need to get washed. You're a good shirt. Wait a minute, I'm not sure. Whenever someone mean touches me, they get cursed by a person thinking that they're a dirty shirt. Now they have to throw them in the laundry basket. I'm fine. High five, everybody. Now I'm copying everybody. I'm even copying Matthias. Okay.